Got my seeds from the one and only JP Pickles from Hulu's Super Hot, breeder of the world's hottest chili pepper, the JP Piranha. The seeds are on pre-sale with an August release date. If you love chili peppers, you're going to want to order some before they sell out. Go follow him on Instagram at JP Pickles and on YouTube. And there is only one hot sauce in the world that has the JP Piranha in it, and it is delicious. We were blessed with one bottle to try before its release. It is Medusa's Passion by the notorious chef. It's got passion fruit, smoked mango, black garlic. It's got some 7-pot primo mash and the JP Piranha, the world's hottest chili pepper. Release date is in 2 days, March 20th. And I love this stuff. So delicious. Go follow the notorious chef at the Notorious Sauce on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube for details on the release and how to order. This stuff is amazing. Wow. You guys got to get your hands on some of this.